Choosing between a wire wheel and a rust stripper disc depends on the type of rust removal job and the surface you are working on. Both tools have their strengths and are suited for different tasks. So understanding their differences can help you get the best results. Wire wheels are very aggressive tools that excel at removing heavy rust and thick layers of paint quickly. Their stiff steel bristles dig deep into the surface, making them ideal for tough, stubborn rust. Rust stripper discs are less aggressive, but still effective at removing rust or paint. They work best on lighter buildup, when you want to protect the metal underneath. Using a wire wheel usually leaves a rougher surface and can sometimes cause visible scratches, especially on softer metals. This makes them great for initial rust removal, but often requires follow-up sanding or smoothing. Rust stripper discs provide a cleaner and smoother finish by abrading rust gently. They are better for finishing work or when a neater appearance is desired. Wire wheels tend to last a long time because the steel bristles can withstand lots of use without wearing out quickly. This makes them a cost-effective choice for many projects, since you do not need to replace them often. On the other hand, rust stripper discs wear down faster due to their abrasive material and need to be replaced regularly. Wire wheels can be harder to handle and might scratch the surface if not used carefully. They work well for tough jobs, but need a bit more skill to use properly. Rust stripper discs, on the other hand, are easier to control because they are softer. This makes them less likely to dig into curved or shaped metal surfaces. This makes them a good choice for beginners or for projects where you want to avoid damage. Wire wheels, however, are mainly suited for metal and are too aggressive for softer materials. Wire wheels can damage non-metal surfaces and need more skill to use safely. Rust stripper discs are more versatile than wire wheels. They can be used on surfaces like metal, wood, and fiberglass without causing damage. They are gentle and provide better control, making them ideal for delicate or detailed work. While wire wheels may have a higher initial cost, their durability and reusability usually make them cheaper over time. You do not have to replace them often, so they are good for ongoing heavy use. Rust stripper discs are generally less expensive per piece, but wear out quickly. So their replacement cost can add up with frequent use. Ultimately, the best choice depends on what you need to do. For most rust removal and paint stripping jobs, a rust stripper disc is the better choice. Wire wheels are best when you need more aggressive cleaning or have to reach tight spots.